Today we're going to show you how to customize the controls and shortcuts on your fēnix E multisport watch. Controls allow you to quickly access many of the commonly used tools, including Battery Saver, Garmin Pay Wallet, and Do Not Disturb. To access the controls menu, press and hold the light button. Here you can view all of the preset controls. Use the up and down buttons to scroll through the options. Pro tip: when your touchscreen is enabled, you can simply tap on the icon to enable or open the control. To add a new control, press and hold the up button. Select Add Controls. All the additional controls will be available to choose from. When you have located one that you want to add, press the Start/Stop button. In this video, we will be adding Sunrise/Sunset. Continue to scroll over the available controls to add to the menu. Then press the back button to return to the controls menu. Your new controls will be added to the end of the list in a clockwise rotation. To open or enable the control, press the Start/Stop button. Press the back button to return to the controls menu. Additionally, we can also change the controls list order or remove unused controls. To change the list order, press and hold the menu button to open the settings. Scroll down and select Reorder Controls. Scroll to the control that you would like to move. Press the Start/Stop button to select it. The icon will include up and down arrows. Press the up or down buttons to move the control's placement in the list. Press the Start/Stop button to confirm its new location. You can repeat this process to move around any of the controls in this menu. Press the back button to return to your controls. If you want to remove a control, scroll down and select Remove Controls. Locate the control that you would like to remove. Press the Start/Stop button to remove the control. You can repeat this process to remove any other controls. Press the back button until you return to the watch face when finished. Next, we will discuss shortcuts. Shortcuts allow you to quickly access settings or features that you use most by holding a certain button combination. While camping at night, you can quickly press the light button twice to open the flashlight. This shortcut is already set up by default on your fēnix E multisport watch. Pro tip: when the flashlight is first enabled, you can press the up and down buttons to adjust the LED brightness and color settings. To begin customizing your shortcuts, press and hold the up menu button. Then scroll down and select Watch Settings. Scroll down and locate System. Select it. Now select Shortcuts. Here you will see the various button combinations available. A few of them are preset to quickly access the main features of the watch, such as watch face and music controls. For this video, we will select the Start plus Up shortcut. The process will be the same for all other button combinations. Once selected, scroll through the available shortcut options. We will be selecting Save Location. Continue to set up other buttons. Once finished, cover the screen with your palm to disable the backlight and return to the watch face. To access the shortcut, simply hold on the button combination. To exit, press the back button. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.